So once you follow through with all the steps of all four forms, okay, practice it at least 4 or 5 times, all right? So if you drew along with me, the exact same proportions, try some on your own from scratch, okay? So once you're complete and you have a lot more confidence and comfort with the process, then you can get into the actual practice forms drawing, okay, for the project. Now, in this case, you want to, if you're going to sketch, which I recommend, okay, I don't expect you to be robots and just pick a spot and end at a spot, all right? So be as sketchy as you need to for your process, but make sure that you come back using those techniques we talked about and create one nice clean contour, okay? And keep them pretty light, right? Once we talk about value development, right, we'll talk about how light should your edge be, right? But in this case, it can be about a middle gray, right? A little bit lighter than that maybe, but don't have it towards the end of that value scale, okay? Some people are heavy-handed, all right? And it's no offense, it's not a derogatory term. That just means that you put a lot of pressure in all the lines that you draw, okay? So you're gonna wanna learn to ease up on things or just build it into your process that you're gonna come back and you're gonna lighten everything, okay? So practice everything roughly first to get some comfort and confidence with all these steps, right? And then what you're gonna create for your project grade is something like this, right? So you can show me 3 different size circles that are really spheres once we add value to them, all right? Show me 4 different sizes and proportions of the other forms, the cylinder, the cone, okay, and the rectangular forms, the cubes, all right? They don't need to be identical to this, all right? It's gonna be more beneficial if you kind of start the process from scratch instead of just drawing what I have exactly where I have it in the same proportions, okay? That's gonna give you more freedom to go through the process and learn it correctly so that you can apply it in the next step when we do the actual 4 basic forms value drawing.